I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing SORA AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the SORA AI software. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In this dashboard you'll have easy access to some of the main tools of the software like text-to-video generator, image-to-video, text-to-image generators, etc. Below that you'll see the statistics of the accounts such as total videos created, credits and recent activity, etc. In the left side panel, you'll have access to tools like text-to-video, text-to-image, image-to-video, video editor, etc. First, let's dive into text-to-video generator. Simply enter the prompt, choose the resolution and the aspect ratio, and then click the Generate Video button to generate the video. Within a few seconds it will generate the video with audio too. Next, the text-to-image generator. Just enter the prompt, choose the aspect ratio and click the Generate Image button below. Within a fraction of seconds it will generate the image for you. Now, the image-to-video generator. Upload any image, then enter the prompt, choose resolution and the aspect ratio you want, then hit the Generate Video button to start the process. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready to view. Now the video editor. Yes, that's right, it has a built-in video editor to edit your videos. Just upload your clips and play around with the options like trim, transform, adding effects, filters and audio. After the edit, click the export option on top to export your edited video. And the settings option will give you the access to edit things like profile image, password, name, and even you can delete your account. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.